All right, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming by. I got a good one for you. So this mower that I've had a hard time with warranty that they didn't fix, I was in there. I don't know what happened today, but everything worked out. They're going to give me a new one, so I'll show you what was wrong with it. Everything. Pieces falling off of it, the handle broke, this and that broke, the cord broke, the strap broke, the wire broke, the cables broke. I mean, everything. And it just, well, I have 3 of them, so I was done. I had the extended warranty. They did not honor it. They kept it for over 2.5 months last year, and I didn't use this mower at all. So I explained my situation. The manager was like, "What?" And she taking care of me. So good, awesome lady. She said, "I'm tired of hearing this crap about the Home Depot warranty. No one not getting taken care of." So, all right, I got a story for you. This is going back. I cannot believe it. I got to make these videos short because they're too long. So I'll discuss this later. There's got to be something going on. I don't know what it is, but they actually are going to honor their warranty, and they're going to give me a new one from Home Depot. I am shocked. So here we go. Alright, this is crazy. Alright, so I'm here. I'm taking it back. They're letting me take it back. Let's see what happens. They said they would, so let's go with it. Alright, so I'm pulling in. And that's working smarter, not harder. All right, so it's there at the returns, and I'm back here, walking back here again. I'll have to make another video with me going through all this stuff, but there it is up there. That's my time cutter. And so yeah, let's get it down. Gotta get somebody to get it down. And yeah, that's the electric one. And there's quite a few stuff here at Home Depot. I'm gonna get over that in another video, but woohoo! There we go. We getting our new mower today. Yes. I can't tell you how happy I am. Wow. Yeah, this guy had a hard time getting through the house, but what do I got? I got my timemaster. Boy, I was so excited. I was like a kid at Toys R Us. I mean, I tell you, I was excited. I've waited a long time to get this damn thing fixed. So it's in my truck. Well, we're gonna get it in there, and off we go. Well, there you go. Wow, what a blessing to get that returned. Alright, wow. Okay, folks, I'm back at the house with the timemaster. This is now my 4th one, okay? So, this is the last one I'm going to own. The next time I get one, if I get one, will be the Turfmaster. But this is a nice mower if you're a homeowner and you're just starting off into landscaping. It's okay. You have to barely baby this mower. It cannot handle abuse or real life. So, but this is a nice mower for maintaining a yard. It's probably the best yard maintenance mower. So if you have nice properties, This is the mower that you can use on that. If you got jacked up properties, do not use this mower. But that said, after they done rolled it 100 times trying to get it onto the thing and they got it out, like I said, I was not going to get this. I was just going to do a walk through Home Depot and make a video, which I'll put that together separate from this, because people like them, I guess. I don't know. I did the Lowe's one, and people like that one. So I went through a couple different Lowe's and Home Depots to see the difference, and what a difference it is from store to store. This one that I got in our area, which is a smaller one, the building used to be a Heckinger's, and now it's a Home Depot. It is run so much better. It's cleaner, nicer. The people are friendly. They're friendly at the other one too, but this place is just nice. I mean, it's nice. Let me tell you. So I got to give a special thanks to Miss Sophia. She is an awesome manager. So, as you know, I've had problems with the warranty, and the first thing the manager said was, you know, I've heard this enough. She's heard it from a lot of people. The warranty department is a separate company from the Home Depot, so that's why you have those people are having problems, even though they're probably supposed to be the same company, but they're not. So, needless to say, I'm not going to go through all that. So this will be an unboxing. I'll put this one there with another video later to do an unboxing, but this is it. I'm getting it out. You saw it. It was nice to have that cart. I wish I had a cart that went up and down. This is not a one-man operation, so if you buy this and you take this home, you're not getting this out by yourself. Unless you're smart. But we're going to try it too. Well, there it is. It's there. Next video is an unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Thank God. That is just so awesome.